Today we have something very special, a 1960 250 GT PF Cab Series II, and I must say it's probably one of the finest we've ever seen and had the pleasure of owning. So this one's going to be a lot of fun. Come on. Okay, let's fire her up. As you can see, she's quite cold. Well, here we go. We're going to warm it up. I can say I've known this 250 for many, many years and through several owners. It really is outstanding. It's got the coolest factory hardtop that was provided with a sunroof from new. The mechanicals are fresh. It's a Platinum Award winner. It looks as good as it runs. We have the windows and sunroof open to hear that glorious V12 sound. So it's really special and bespoke and typical of its previous owner, who's one of my best friends. The car has got a bespoke hidden stereo unit. And what is that? What is that? I can't figure out what the name of it. Oh, it was carry-eyes. Although, as you can see, the factory radio is present as well. We have the glove box. Hello.
Goodbye.
It's pretty nice. So we're going to fill it up with fuel. Okay, so we are still warming up a little bit, but we're on our farm road, going through the gears. Everything is absolutely exceptional. We're going to show you the overdrive. These are some of the best touring cars around. Fourth gear, overdrive. No overdrive. Overdrive. No overdrive. But for cruising, it is awesome. So back to fourth gear without overdrive. We're going to take it down through the twisties a little bit. And there's really not a whole hell of a lot to say about this car. Its history is exceptional. Its condition is exceptional. The fact that it's got this cool sunroof in the factory hardtop is exceptional. The recent rebuild of the engine, exceptional. Really cool color combination, which is not the norm. What you see is what you get, as we've said, especially when the car speaks for itself. So, great V12 sound. And heading toward a great road to get on in a little bit and show that it not only is a great cruising car, but it will corner a bit. So let's accelerate a little bit. What a glorious autumn day. Foliage. Jason looking at the foliage.
In full bloom.
Full bloom. So it is a Grand Touring convertible. It is a Grand Touring coupe with the hardtop on. And an elegant Ferrari. I have logged a few miles in this particular car. It has always had a really good life. Everything feels right. We're going to get to the point where we do our flybys so you can hear it from the outside. Let's turn the lights on. Fog lights. Looks even cooler coming at you. Wonderful Nardi steering wheel. Classic. So here we are on one of the cool twisty roads. Really cool gearbox. Really good snick from gear to gear. Light clutch pedal travel. One of those Ferraris that can sit in traffic should you end up in it. It's not fearful of cosmopolitan traffic. Well, she looks awesome from the outside, if I do say so myself. And she's superb to drive, well dialed in, great on the back roads, great on the highways. She is a great touring car, and especially with the overdrive. Its show history speaks for itself. I think we will have to say she's going back to the homestead. And thanks for watching. Ciao.
Thanks for watching, everyone. See you on the next one.
Questi giorni quando vieni il bel sole